My name is David Lister. I'm the Rabbi of Edgware United Synagogue. The question I've been asked is, why do we bang when we hear Haman's name in the Megillah on Purim? First of all, we don't actually have to bang when we hear Haman's name. Many people do it, especially children, but it's not strictly necessary. And if people do bang, they should be careful not to cover up the name, as we need to hear every word of the Megillah, including Haman's name. The reason why many people bang is that Haman was descended from the people of Amalek. The philosophy of the people of Amalek was that whatever they could get away with, they would do. Irrespective of whom they hurt in the process, as long as they were strong enough to do something or get something, they would do it, they would get it. And the Torah tells us that we must wipe out the memory of Amalek, which means that whenever we encounter the philosophy of might is right, we Jews are bound to stand up against that and to oppose it, and to stand for tolerance and the protection of the weak, and for justice. This is expressed by our reaction to Haman's name in the Megillah. We oppose the philosophy of Amalek so much that whenever we hear his name, we make a big noise. We just can't stand hearing it. We can't leave it unopposed. And this also teaches us how vigilant we must be about injustice in our own time and our own society. Whenever we hear injustice going on, we make a noise straight away. We make a fuss, we fight, we protest, and that way we protect the weak and make the world a better place.